What's going on, you guys? It's your boy X, back in the building. Man, I'm up here at Bentley Lamborghini. Dog, this Bentley nice. I like this gray, man. This boy is hard. 155. Dog, but the color on here, this shit hard. I like these lights. Damn. This Bentley hard. I like this. How big them brakes is. I like this. What? Damn. That interior is nasty. But it's this paint that do it for me. I like this paint. This paint is nasty. Bentayga. I like these headlights though. It's nice. I like that. I'm getting my shoes wet. Air Force Ones. Alright, with the all whites on, I need to get me some Timbs. I like this Bentley. Man. We got a vet over here. I love this vet. I love that light blue one, but I love this blue one. I love this blue. Man, this thing is a jet. It's an F-35. F-22 Raptor. The interior looked like it. Damn. That interior is nasty. I like that glass right there. I like that. This thing is nasty. What they want? 86? Okay. I like the black rims. I like them black rims. That's hard. That's nasty. That's nasty. That's nasty. That's nasty. Damn. That interior is sick. Oh, 86, bruh. This is good for me. This is all I need. This is good for me. This is nasty. I like that. I like that. I like that. Maserati. I really don't care for Levante. That sounds like a little kid name. Levante, get your ass over here. Levante. Levante, don't touch that. They got this Ashton. I really don't care for Ashtons. 112. The interior be so plain on these. It be like old man vibes. I'm out here shaking because it's chilly. Yeah, the B series, this is nice. But they probably want 150 for it. That's how much they going for. It's blacked out. B bags. It's chilly out here, that's why I'm shaking. I like that. Yep, 169. Man, that's crazy, bro. 169. That's crazy as hell. 169 for a damn truck. I might as well go get me a Bentley. Shit, I can get a Bentley. Shit. R7, that matte. This is nice. I like that. I like that matte. I like that matte. Dude, this is nice. This is nice. Damn. Carbon fiber mirrors. Carbon fiber. This R7 is nice, bro. This R7 is nice. Real nice. This R7 is nice. This is nice, bro. This is nice. That's nice. 129. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. I like that. Wow. That is nice. I like that. Yeah, the Lamborghini. Here's. That's nice too. Wow, dude, look how big the rims is. I like this. I like this a lot. Ooh-wee. That interior is nasty. That interior is nasty. That's nasty. I like that. I like that. Oh shit, going for at least special. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. I like this yours. I like this yours. I like this yours. This motherfucker a dickhead. This bitch hard as hell. This bitch a dickhead. This bitch hard as hell. Man, I'll put 212s in here. I'm good. I wouldn't get no rims, no nothing. None of that bullshit. Dog, this bitch is nasty. This, man. Man. But this RS7 though, this motherfucker hard too. This RS7. This bitch hard, dog. I ain't gonna lie, dog. That motherfucker out cold, bro. that RS7 out cold. And I hate the color black on vehicles. And I hate the color white on vehicles. But that yours, I definitely would have cashed out on that for real. V-Series. I can't do it, dude. I just get me a Bentley, bro. Call it a day. Call it a day with the Bent. See what I'm saying? 155, and they want 169 for the V, for the Escalade V. I'm good, bro. I'll get something else. Other than that. What's they got out here? They got McLaren. The showroom closed this Saturday. So, you know, that's closed and everything. They got Maseratis, you know. We have McLaren, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Maserati. You know. Man. I love this color. This Maserati is nice though. This color nasty though. That color nasty. That color nasty. This one is tight. That's nasty. Oh, it's chilly outside. I'm doing this. You know, I wanted to give y'all some different content other than, you know, my truck driving. You know what I'm saying? But, because like I said, I like car content and I want my channel to be based on cars. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted to give y'all a little mixture of car content, you know, and while I do my truck driving, you know. Yeah, that's tight. I like that. Oh, look at this Bentley over here. I like this one. This one is nasty. Ooh, I love this. This is me right here. This is me. What they want? 189. This is me. Bentley is my favorite luxury car. I love it other than, you know, more than Rolls Royce, I love it more than Benz, Lexus, all them BMW. Bentley is my favorite luxury car. This is nasty. This is me, y'all. Oh. Damn. Bentley do it every time, dog. They satisfy me every single time, bro. Every single time. This is nasty. Dog. 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 You see how big them rims is, bro? They, dog. Bentley do it to me every time. Every time. Every time. Dog. This bitch a dickhead. This motherfucker hard as hell. Dog. That interior is nasty. That interior is nasty. Man. Dog. 189. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. Dog. This bitch is nasty. Yeah, I gotta take a picture of this. That motherfucker hard. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a mixture of some different content. I need to put some Carmex on. But yeah, give y'all a mixture because, you know, I want to do car content. You know what I'm saying? Because I love cars and that's my passion is cars. You know what I'm saying? So, I wanted to give y'all, you know, some different video footage and everything, some different content, like I said. And, yeah. So with that being said, I love y'all. Thanks for watching, man. Thank you all for the comments. Thank you for all the, you know, support and everything. So I want you to know I greatly appreciate it. It's cold outside. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Be safe out there. Stay warm. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.